Let's start our show today by talking to Lisa in New Smyrna Beach. Lisa, you're on News Talk WDBO. Go ahead.
Hi. My question is, if you have a will and you do not change it after a divorce, can that will be enforced, or does the divorce take precedence?
Lisa, that is a great question. And so here's the answer you probably would expect, and that is this. If you, before you got divorced, you have a will that says, when I die, everything goes to my husband. If he predeceases me, everything goes to my children, and you get divorced, your husband is automatically out of your will. It is if he predeceased you. So without redoing your will, he's automatically out, and we go to your next choice, which is probably your children.
Okay, so 100% would go to the children.
Well, I haven't seen your will, but assuming they're their second choice. Now, Lisa, with that said, that's the good news. But all in all, Lisa, it is probably time to pull out your documents, your will, your power of attorneys, your living will, because your husband's probably on all those as well, your ex-husband. Realistically, you'll want to redo it. But if something happens between now and then, he would not be included in your estate plan.
Okay, that was the main thing I was interested in finding out.
All right, Lisa.
Well, I really appreciate your help.
You're
Thank
very
you
welcome.
so much for
You're very welcome, Lisa.
answering it.
You're very welcome.